Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. This is Prakash here. The secret, that law of attraction. So, basically, this stating that like attracts like. That law of attraction always obedient to our thoughts. So what we like, so he will just attract the same thing. If I say that I don't like that things, I don't want to do those things, I don't want to work, I don't want to do something, and then so it always obedient our thoughts, so it will show up the same thing. So it's basically that stating that like attracts likes. So that is the idea, that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts of a person who brings positive and negative experiences into their life. So this belief is based upon the idea that people and their thoughts are both made from pure energy. So it is the documentary The Secret, that's basically it's a referral point for the motivational arena. So the number one lesson, that you have always attracted the circumstances and the people that are currently in your life now. So it is the fact, it is almost the fact that we all are some of our all that past decisions into our life. So this will start the mechanical process of changing the bad vibes, and that replacing them with the new ones. So this is a powerful law that we are channeling, and the results are truly very extraordinary. So what we can do this, we always have to smile on daily, and that feel grateful for the things that what we have, and then we have to watch the results. Number two lesson is what we can do. We can change the way we think, and we will change the present and create the future. So that it all starts a change in our mindsets. So it all starts when we take the reins, and will that become the creator. So that Apple and the Android device we are holding on daily basis, and the laptop and the tablet, that's all come out from the human's mind, and they are all the products through human intelligence. So we are enough capable to change our entire life. So what we can do, we just have to change the way we think in our life. Then would be only that life will be beautiful. And then number three is that we have to get out our mindset that there is not enough wealth in the world for everyone. So that it is the mindset that always kept us taking the appropriate risks and the decisions to align ourselves with opportunities to receive or create the wealth that we attempt. So this mindset always comes from the thought that there is not enough wealth to go around. So we have to get out of that mindset, and we have to believe in ourselves that we will create the wealth that we mean to be in our life. And the number fourth is believe in the expected outcome, nothing else. So that every day, every time we wake up in the morning, we just get ready to the work, get ready to our store. But something which has happened yesterday, and what we think on today, that I don't want to repeat that things. Hopefully that today will be the good day, and I want to repeat that what things happened with me on yesterday. So all the time, if we are thinking inside, it's suddenly showed up in today, because that law of attraction always follow, always obedient to our thoughts. So this really shows the power, how we will change our thoughts, and that how we will result our expected that outcome with everything that we just attempt. So we approach everything we do with the mindset, and that we have already that achieved that expected outcome, and now what we are just that we are just waiting for the universe to bring it in our life. So, in conclusion, I must say that we have to think that we always have the options to become the creator in our own life, to to give a new path, to change into a new path, and we have the most powerful tool of the universe in our toolbox, and now it's the time to utilize those things. So we have to remove the negative energy and start release the positive vibes from the inside to our life, and the mindset and the way we view to the world and the situations that we are presented, that we can think that we will change the situations. So these are the few learnings from the secret. And thanks to Mithun sir, that's amazing, that documentary, that after showing that I have realized that what's the many things that hidden inside us, that we can use in a different way, we can use them in a positive way. We have to be positive all the time, because there is some energy in our inside, there is some energy in our mind, that how we will utilize them, how we will utilize those things, so that will show up to you. Thank you guys, thank you so much.